Hello world, Shelly here, and today I've got another Dia & Co. try-on for you guys. If you're not familiar with Dia & Co., they are a subscription clothing service, a personal styling service where you pay a $20 styling fee. Your stylist will choose 4 to 5 items to send to your home. You get to try them on for 5 days in your home at your leisure, and depending what you decide to keep, you can get that styling fee credited back to you if you keep anything in the box. If you keep the entire box, you get an extra discount, and it just so happens that right now they're running a buy more, save more discount, so you actually get a discount if you keep 3 or more items in the box, which is pretty cool. Now, Dia also has a new service that they've been rolling out where you can just shop on their website for clothing without having a stylist involved at all. And they allow you to basically try on at home and decide if you want to keep something before committing to purchasing it. So that is also pretty cool, but I use the personal styling service. So I have a stylist assigned to me. They keep you with the same stylist so long as the stylist is there, unless you request a different stylist. And every time you get a new box, you get to pick whether you want to keep that stylist, try a different stylist, or if you have no preference. And I tend to prefer to keep the same stylist because they get to know your personal tastes and your sizing and how your body fits different clothing, and it's just much easier. So right now my stylist is Carrie, and she has done a few boxes for me, and I've been loving them. So let's check out what Carrie has to say this time around. She says, "Hi, Shelly. I know you've been focused more on tops, but I had to send you these trendy, lightly distressed boyfriend jeans from Molly and Isadora. I'm still on the lookout for the Ashley dress in a different color," something I asked her to do for me. "I can't wait to watch your video rocking this reversible coat for your edgier style," and I sized it up because I always request that my coats be a size bigger because I like to be able to wear a hoodie underneath it because I'm constantly wearing hoodies in coat season. Let's roll back to this whole reversible coat topic. You get to choose a couple items to add to your box if you want to like collaborate with your stylist. So I did pick 2 items in this box, and then Carrie picked the other 3. But the coat is one of the things that she picked. So let's take a look at this reversible coat. It is a faux fur coat. There's no fur, real fur in this. Thank you. My animal friends are safe. And so this is the Molly and Isadora Raquel reversible fur car coat in tan and black. It is sized up to 3X. The retail price is $39, and this is the animal print, very soft side of the coat. It does have pockets, and then you can reverse it. So if you turn this coat inside out and put the black side to the outer facing, you still get the faux fur accents around the wrists and around the collar, and you get that amazingly soft faux fur against your skin on the inside of the coat. And I think I probably prefer it with the black facing out. It just looks a little bit more edgy to me, but it's really cute both ways, and I'm really excited about this coat. And the price is right. 39 bucks for this coat, I think, is a really good deal. So thumbs up on this coat. Now, I am also wearing the Molly and Isadora jeans that Carrie sent me. So these are the Asella Distressed Boyfriend jeans in dark wash, size 18, retail $65, and the Molly and Isadora jeans are always a little bit too high in the rise for me, but I have lost a little bit of weight over the pandemic time. Since about a month or 2 into the pandemic, I started trying to lose a little bit of weight. Well, first I had to lose the 15 pounds I gained at the first month of the pandemic, but I've been working on lowering it down, so I'm down about 35 pounds right now, and for the first time, I think 18 in jeans, they're a little bit too big on me, but I'm not going to request any changes. I'm going to keep these because A, chances are I'm still going to gain some of this back, and B, these 18s still fit me in most other brands. So I'm going to stick with 18s for now. But I find that when I weigh a little bit less, I can pull off a higher rise more easily because basically I have a spare tire. I wear all my weight in my belly, so it's hard to pull high-rise things over that weight, and then when I sit down, it's really uncomfortable because it gets super tight. So usually I wear my rise of my jeans underneath the spare tire, but we will see how these go. I think they are super cute. They're very comfortable, and I like boyfriend jeans. It's just a thing I like. So also this top that I am wearing is which one is this? This is also Molly and Isadora. It's the Lena long sleeve knit top with smocked cuff. In mauve, retails for $39. This is size 2X. So Carrie says that she selected the Lena top for its soft fabric and dusty mauve color, which is trending. And I like it because I have a lot of tops like this that are just basic solid tops, but I like the smocking on the cuff. It just gives, I just like little details. I don't need it to be, you know, massively embellished or anything, but I like the small details that just make it a little bit unique. And that's what I really like about this particular top. Then we have a top that I chose. She says, pair the jeans with the Norna pullover you've selected. I love the cozy fabric. I love the tie-dye. So this is the Mark New York Norna pullover in magenta and white, size 2X. Retail price is $45. This would not have fit me if I tried this on at the beginning of the pandemic. It's a little snug in the belly, not snug, but it fits. Like, it fits me right now. So I don't think if I gain anything, I'll be able to wear this top, but I will keep it because it's super cute, and I'm going to keep it as my inspiration top and be like, if this top doesn't fit, you better lay off the pizza. So that'll be my plan on this one. And last up, I am wearing it right now. This is the Lila Graphic Tee from Downing Studio. I chose this one as well. It is in size 2X, retail $35. Carrie recommends the Lila tee with the jeans that she added, and of course my Chucks. She references my shoes, my combat boots and my Chucks, and it just gives me evidence that she's listening and she's watching and she's paying attention and she knows what I like, which is awesome. And Carrie, you rock. This box rocks. If you haven't guessed, I'm keeping it all. Let's check the final tally, shall we? So if you add up the retail price for all 5 of these items, they come to $223. Since I am keeping anything from the box, the $20 styling fee is credited back to me. And then with Buy More, Save More right now, if you buy all 5 items, you get 25% off, which is a discount of $55.75, meaning there's a total discount of $75.75, and the final price without tax comes to $147.25. That's less than $30 per item. I'm totally fine with that because there's a pair of jeans and a coat in here. So bravo, another Adia box that I thoroughly enjoy. This one is right up my alley. Comfortable, a little bit on the edgy side. Can get away with these things for my casual side of work. Good stuff. Good stuff. If you enjoy sort of fashion try-on kinds of videos, give me a thumbs up down below. Lets me know that I should keep on making them. As always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over fashion with me this time. Come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern time for new videos. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.